Hi, this is Jessie Zahorian, your SDV 100 teacher, and I wanted to highlight some of the very important announcements that are listed in Blackboard. You will see this Wednesday, February 7th. We'll have a JMU advisor at the Annandale campus. It's from Wednesday, February 7th from 10 to 2 p.m. I would not come at 2 o'clock. They may shut off the line early if they have too many students. They also have an admissions and applications session. That is also on Wednesday from 1 to 2:30. That's in CA 302 at the Annandale campus. That is first come, first serve. Once they run out of seats, then they will start turning students away. Even if this is not your last semester at Nova, if you have the time to attend that, it's never too early to start thinking about that. The career and transfer news you can use, all of this is taking place at the Annandale campus, so you can see the announcement section for more information. We also have a historically black colleges and universities transfer showcase coming up. That's Wednesday the 21st. That's in the first floor of the CA building. Again, that's at Annandale, and that is going to be in that student services building where financial aid and the counseling center is. I know we have a lot of working students in this class, so this particular thing might be of interest to you. We also have a financial mentor who can help you with any financial issues you may have, and you can see her email address there at the bottom. If anyone is going to be doing their taxes soon, we do tax help, and as you can see, that's not only at Annandale, we have it at all the different campuses. Here is more information on the historically black colleges and universities transfer fair. There's a scholarship opportunity. You can read about that. We also have a resource navigator. Now, she is here at 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. in CG 224 at Annandale. Her email address is there. She might also be able to meet you at another campus. I'm not 100% sure. But as you can see, she can help you with things like childcare, food, car problems, rent, utilities, medical bills, and more. Here we've got some walk-in career information. We also have a food pantry at Annandale. So this would be in the student activities office is where the food pantry is located. It's open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. They also have a phone number to call there as well. If you're closer to another campus, you might have to call them to see if they have a food pantry at another campus as well. I'm not sure if all the campuses have a food pantry, but I absolutely know that Annandale does. So anyway, don't forget this is just a highlight. This is not all of the announcements. So you want to scroll through all of the announcements every time you log into Blackboard to make sure you're not missing anything important. Okay, thank you, and have a good day.